Hey guys, this is Charlie with MetalWorks with another update on our 68 Fastback ProTouring build. Beginning of this video we showed just mocking up the roaster shop chassis for the first time, but the bulk of the video is just metal work here in the fab shop. Just everything from the main floor being replaced to both quarter panels. There's a ton of fab and metal work. So I got a bunch of footage for you guys to check out, and let's jump on into it.
Alright, they set the Coyote and transmission in place just for a quick fitment check here. Also going to see if we can get the headers to fit. Here's the new rocker and the floor. Adam's got the passenger side rocker and the floor cut out. You see Adam's got the one-piece floor and the rocker panel set in place and mocked up, getting everything fitted. Drilling out all these welds here. Matching up to these areas here. Dave is fabricating a piece to replace this damaged piece back here behind the wheel tub. Here you can see Adam's got the rear section of the floor welded in, then metal worked. Now he has the passenger side of the front floor all plug welded in and metal worked. Still has the driver's side to do into the rocker. That's all been done on this side. Dave's been working on the shaping of the aftermarket quarter panel. These pieces were in really bad shape, so he's had to hand make those, blending them in, or he will be blending them in. Now he's working on getting the new drip rail, those pieces that tie into the inner structure pieces that he hand built. The driver's side quarter and the tail pan are just kind of set into place. You just want to compare how those look. The driver's side quarter is a little bit better shape than the passenger, and there's going to be a lot of fitment to get the tail pan to fit in there correctly. That's just the trouble with aftermarket parts. Sheet metal, nothing fits like factory, so there's a lot of manipulating to get the aftermarket stuff to fit well. Getting everything lined up with the inner, or I should say the outer wheel tub in place now. So quick look here, you can see Adam has got the outer section of the wheel tub welded in. Now he's getting the B pillar area, doing the welds on there. So he's test fit the quarter multiple times. It's all dialed in now, so it's just getting all that inner structure welded in. And then you'll be able to move on to the driver's side quarter and the roof. Adam's got the outer wheel tub installed on the driver's side. Now he's starting to work on this piece here between the rear window and the trunk. Alright guys, you can see that Adam has made a lot of progress on the Mustang. Both quarters are more or less welded on, as well as the roof skin. Been doing some work on the trunk as far as fitment, and now we're getting this rear panel, which is held in with clamps right now for fitment, but has this small rear panel here welded in. So the passenger side quarter is welded in, but not fully yet. Now you can see he's moved up to the front of the car. Initially we were going to do aftermarket fenders because these factory fenders, you know, have some damage from back in the day, but they're solid. But the reproduction fenders just fit so poorly, and the shape of them is so far off that we ended up acid dipping the original fenders. We're just going to use the reproduction fenders as patches of them to fix the factory fenders. You can see they got the aftermarket hood, factory style aftermarket hood,
mocked up. So that's where things stand on the build currently. Thanks for checking things out. We'll be back again with another video for you guys real soon. Take care.